Akshita, and today I'm going to be making some carrot apple muffins. This is actually something I haven't made before, so I'm very excited to try it. And let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need some almond milk. You're going to need an apple. You can also use applesauce, but I'm just going to grate an apple because I don't have that with me right now. You're going to need cinnamon, baking soda, a banana, a carrot, and some coconut oil. You're also going to need some almond flour, and you're going to need some whole wheat flour. You can obviously substitute for any flour, but I'm trying to go for a almond flour, so that's what I'm going to use. This is also vegan and gluten-free. You can obviously substitute in whatever you want if you don't want it to be vegan, which is why I'm using a flax egg. And flax egg, all you have to do is you just need to put some flaxseed powder with water and just let that sit until it hardens. You can just use a normal egg if you don't need it to be vegan, but I'm going to be making this vegan. I'm going to be making 6 muffins today. So for this recipe, I'll need to take a very ripe banana. I'm going to put this in a bowl along with the flax egg that I made earlier and some coconut oil. I'm also going to be adding some maple syrup to it for sweetness. I went ahead and I smashed my banana alongside with 1/8 cup of maple syrup, 1/8 cup of coconut oil, and then my flax egg. Okay, next, I just added 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into my bowl. I'm also going to add the grated apple that I made earlier. You can also just use applesauce if you want to, but you're just going to make 1/4 cup of applesauce or grated apple, and then you're just going to add that into the bowl as well. I'm going to be adding some cinnamon, adding about this much cinnamon, and then I'm just going to stir all of that. I also added in 1/4 cup of almond milk and then just a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna use my grated carrot. You're gonna need about 1/2 cup of grated carrot. I'm just gonna add that into the bowl as well. Next, I added in 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, about 1/3 cup of oats, and then I also added in 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm just gonna mix that in as well. This is how it should look once you mix in all the ingredients, and now I'm just gonna add this to a muffin tin. I've added all the muffins into the tin. As I said, I'm making 6 muffins, so this fit perfectly into 6 of the muffin tins. And I also added a little almond on the top to make it look a little cute. I'm now gonna put these in the oven, and the oven is currently heating at 375 degrees. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun watching me bake this, because I know I had a lot of fun. I've never made this before, so I'm very excited to see how the muffins turn out. I feel like baking is always like very stress relieving, which is something I needed this week. So I had tons of fun. Thank you so much for watching.